How to create new Spotify playlist on Spotify mobile application. I will do this tutorial on my Android phone. You can always follow the same steps on any OSs or any device that Spotify originally supports. So without further ado, if you wanted to see more contents like this, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Okay, here we go. First off, just fire your Spotify application, and then from there you can choose whichever song that you wanted to hear. Okay, and then from there, if you wanted to create a new Spotify playlist, all you need to do is just to click on this song, on the three dots button next to the song, and then choose add to playlist. Okay, choose new playlist near the top. Give your playlist a name. For example, I will enter just random. Then I will click create. Okay, and to actually view your new playlist, go to your library. Choose playlist, and voila, that's the new playlist that I just created just now. And that's how you create a new playlist on Spotify. If you like this kinds of tutorial and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit that subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps, and until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.